Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Being Natural Space. If you're new on this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section. So this time we want to make micro twisting. So I just let me just film this part, and I know somebody out there might need this video. So if you are there and you're wondering how we make micro twisting, so we section the hair into a graded part and twisted the hair. So after twisting, I started locking the hair step by step. So and one thing about this hair is that if you watch my previous video, I do emphasize on the grid so that to be able to style the hair anyhow you want it. So this is me here locking the root of the hair. So this is how micro twist is being made. The micro locks rather is being made. So after the twist, the root at the down. Can you see the root at the down? Can you see it? Let me pick one. Okay, this is one now. Then I insert my crochet pin to the waist. So yeah, I'm just using waist and knot method for here, west knot till the hair gets tight at the root. So that is how your micro locks is being done. So if you're out there, you're wondering how micro locks is being done. So after twisting the hair, make sure the root is not too tight, then lock the down with your crochet pin. Then with time, in the next 6 months, the hair will form on its own. So the twisted parts will get locked. Sometimes it depends on your hair texture. Some hair texture takes 6 months, while other take 1 year. So it depends on your hair texture. So this is me here and my staff trying to lock the root of the hair. And that is it. Micro loss has a very low maintenance. So just for after relocking the hair, you don't need to do anything. Don't apply oil, don't pour water till after 4 to 6 weeks before you can do any application on the hair. So this is the final result of the hair. Can you see that the lines are grid, and can you see the roots? So mind you, whenever you are doing yours, make sure the root is not too tight, because when it's very tight, it will start thinning out. So I'm trying to show you the part of the hair, the section part of the hair. So make sure your center part is real center part. I'm trying to find where the center part is, and this is the center pattern from the beginning to the end. And yeah, we are done. How many hours does it take? It depends on you, but 6 hours you are done with your micro locks. Is different from sister locks. Sister locks can take the whole day, but micro locks is faster and is easier. This is the final result of the hair. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section for me. I will answer your question. So yeah, I'm trying to adjust the lighting and the camera so that you can see the hair very very well. And one thing about micro locks I didn't mention is that it gives your locks a fuller look. Give it a fuller look. It makes your hair full. If I tell you that this my client's hair is not that full, but after the micro loss, it came out full. And yeah, we are happy we made this hair, and my client is also happy she made the hair. See you in my next video. Bye.